Good morning, one and all of you. My name is Rasne Somnath, lecturer from Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shivgaon. My subject is pharmacology and toxicology. Previous lecture shown that narcotic analgesic chapter. In that, presence of classification of narcotic analgesics and various drugs explained like that morphine, codeine, pethidine, and heroin. So, today's lecture on going to that discuss about hypnotics and sedatives. What is the meaning of hypnotics and sedatives? This chapter is important for the syllabus. These are discussion about today. So it's consisting about introductions of hypnotism and sedatives, definition of hypnotics and sedatives, classification of hypnotics and sedatives, pharmacological actions of barbiturates, and lastly acute barbiturate poisoning. These points are covered in this chapter. So one by one discussion. So what is the introduction of hypnotics? Hypnotics, it's a Greek word. Hypnos means sleep or soporific drug, commonly known as sleeping pills. These are the class of psychoactive drugs whose primary function is to induce sleep. It is also used in the treatment of insomnia, sleepiness, or for surgical anesthesia. So this is the hypnotics. Hypnotics, it's a Greek word that is called as the sleep or soporific drugs. These are the drugs. It's also known as the sleeping pills. Are the class of psychoactive drugs and whose primary function is to induce the sleep. झोप जर येत नसेल तर त्यासाठी ही जी काय टॅब्लेट्स आहे दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ स्लो इट्स अ नेम स्लीपिंग पिल्स. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इन्सोमनिया. इन्सोमनिया म्हणजे काय, लॉस ऑफ स्लीप, त्यामध्ये स्लीप येत नाही आहे असा जो का पेशंट आहे इन दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज इन्सोमनिया. सो इट इज यूज इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इन्सोमनिया. दिस ड्रग कॉल्ड ॲज द hypnotics drugs or used for the surgical anesthesia. So what is the sedatives or tranquilizer? Sedatives or tranquilizers means to reduce the tension or anxiety. The sedatives is the substances that induce the sedation by reducing the irritability or excitement. They are CNS depressant drug. These are the sedatives or tranquilizer. These are the substances that induce the sedation by reducing irritability or excitement, and they are CNS depressant drugs. That is the introduction of hypnotics and sedatives. The next slide who goes to that definition of hypnotics and sedatives. What is the definition of hypnotics? Hypnotics means these are the drugs which produce the sleep resembling natural sleep are called as hypnotics. Hypnotics means these are the agents which produce that sleep resembling to be like that natural sleep. This is called as the hypnotics. What is meaning the sedatives? Sedatives means these are the drugs which reduce the excitement without producing sleep are called as sedatives. Sedatives means this is the agent or this is the drugs which reducing the excitement of the body without producing sleep, or that's a calming effect, that's called as the sedatives. The next classification of sedatives and hypnotics. Classification of sedatives and hypnotics. There are the mainly 5 class of the sedatives and hypnotics. So one by one discuss. First is barbiturates. Barbiturates consisting about the various example. That the first is a phenobarbital, butabarbital, pentobarbital, thiopenton, and methotrexate. This is the example of barbiturates drugs. Second is the benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines consisting the example like that diazepam, flurazepam, and nirazepam. This is the example of benzodiazepines. Third is the newer non-benzodiazepine. This is a new molecule or new molecule entity, that is the name is like zopiclone drug and zolpidem. Zopiclone and zolpidem. This is the newer non-benzodiazepines drugs. Fourth, alcohol. consisting about the drug like chloral hydrates and ethanol. It shows like that activities sedatives and hypnotics. And other it's consisting about meprobamate. This is the classification of sedatives and hypnotics. There are mainly 5 types. First is barbiturates, second is benzodiazepines, third is newer non-benzodiazepines, alcohols and others. Then one by one discuss here. So first is barbiturates. The barbiturates are the derivative of barbituric acid, that is also called as malonylurea, which is obtained by the condensation of urea and malonic acid. कुठून मिळते आपल्याला बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिड? बार्बिच्युरेट्स ड्रग्स. द बार्बिच्युरेट्स आर द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिड malonylurea, which is obtained by the condensation of urea and malonic acid. Condensation means this is the process, so gas changing by the liquids, so that is called as the condensation process. Of that condensation of urea and malonic acid, this is the chemical reaction, so produce the barbiturates. So next point is that barbituric acid itself does not possesses hypnotic activity. जे काय बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये स्वतःची जी काय केमिकल एंटिटीज आहे त्यामध्ये त्याचा काय नॉट पोजेसेस द हायप्नॉटिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी, बट हायप्नॉटिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज प्रोड्यूस इफ द हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स ॲट पोझिशन 5 आर रिप्लेस बाय द अल्किल और अरिल ग्रुप. तो जे काय त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे, केमिकल मॉलिक्युलचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिडचं, त्यामध्ये 5 नंबरला जे काय हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स आहेत, हायड्रोजन ॲटम्सला रिप्लेस केलं अल्किल किंवा अरिल ग्रुपने, तर त्याची जी काय हायप्नॉटिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे ती प्रोड्यूस होते. अदरवाईज त्या बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिडची ॲक्टिव्हिटी हायप्नॉटिझम राहत नाही. बार्बिच्युरिक ॲसिड इट सेल्फ डज नॉट पोजेसेस हायप्नॉटिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी. स्वतःची तिची हायप्नॉटिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी नाही आहे, but hypnotic activity is produced if the hydrogen atoms at position 5 of this chemical formula are replaced by the alkyl or aryl group. So next, classification of barbiturates drugs. So this is the classification of barbiturates. The barbiturates are classified according to the durations of actions. ह्याची काय क्लासिफिकेशन आहे, हे कशाच्या बेसिसवर आहे? द ड्युरेशन ऑफ ॲक्शन. तो ड्रग ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन केल्यानंतर बॉडीमध्ये किती वेळ राहतो आहे त्याच्यानुसार हे क्लासिफिकेशन केलं आहे बार्बिच्युरेटचं. बार्बिच्युरेट्स आर क्लासिफाईड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ड्युरेशन्स ऑफ ॲक्शन्स. सो there are the 4 classes like first long acting barbiturates. So this is the action is for 8 hours or more, so that is the example is phenobarbital. Second is the intermediate acting barbiturates, its action is for 4 to 8 hours, that is called intermediate acting barbiturates. For example, amylbarbital, butabarbital and pentobarbital. This is the drug of the intermediate acting barbiturates action. See, like third, short acting barbiturates is that action is less than 4 hours of the barbiturates. So for example, secobarbital and hexabarbital. This is the short acting barbiturates, like a name of this example, secobarbital and hexabarbital. And last, ultra short acting barbiturates. It's in that IV route prefer firstly. For example, thiopental, and second is the sodium methohexetone. This is the classification of barbiturates. There are the mainly 4 classes of this barbiturates class. First is long acting, second is intermediate acting, third is the short acting barbiturates, and last is the ultra short acting barbiturates. This is the classification of barbiturates. Then next point is that pharmacological actions of barbiturates. Suppose barbiturates drugs or benzodiazepines barbiturates drugs are administration in the body. So what happen? What is the effect of these drug are administration in the body? So what is the effect? Various effects shown, like that effect on CNS, effect on CVS, effect in the GIT. So one by one explain. So this effect of this drug to various body or organs. So first effect on the central nervous system of these barbiturates. काय तर barbiturates produce depression of central nervous system. बार्बिच्युरेट्समुळे काय होते, जी काय सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम आहे ती डिप्रेस होते. मग त्यामध्ये बरेच पॉईंट आहेत. त्यामध्ये आहे sedation and hypnosis. Sedation and hypnosis. The first, the long acting and intermediate acting barbiturate are used for sedation and hypnosis. जे काय ड्रग्स आहेत, लॉंग ॲक्टिंग असेल किंवा इंटरमिजिएट ॲक्टिंगची ड्रग आहेत, लाईक दॅट फिनोबार्बिटोन असेल, ब्युटाबार्बिटोन असेल, हे जे ड्रग आहेत ते काय करतात, सेडेशन आणि हायप्नोसिससाठी यूज केले जातात. दॅट इज द सेडेशन अँड हायप्नोसिस. द लॉंग ॲक्टिंग अँड इंटरमिजिएट ॲक्टिंग बार्बिच्युरेट्स आर यूज फॉर सेडेशन्स अँड हायप्नोसिस. सेकंड इज दी ॲनॅस्थेटिक इफेक्ट. ॲनॅस्थेटिक इफेक्ट कोण दाखवते, तर अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट ॲक्टिंग बार्बिच्युरेट्स व्हेन ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इंट्राव्हेनसली प्रोड्यूस basal or general anesthesia. For example, thiopenton. These are the drug is IV administration. So anesthetic effect are basal or general anesthesia is produced. So third effect is the anticonvulsant effect. What is meaning the convulsion? Convulsion means producing sudden and involuntary muscle contraction. So anticonvulsant effect हे दाखवतात ड्रग्स. तर काय, फिनोबार्बिटोन इज अ सिलेक्टिव्ह अँटीकन्व्हल्संट ड्रग अँड इज यूज फॉर प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ ग्रँड माल इपिलिप्सी. व्हॉट इज मिनिंग ऑफ इपिलिप्सी? एपिलिप्सी मीन्स इट्स अ डिसऑर्डर in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizures. That is called as the epilepsy, and these types of various like a grand mal epilepsy is prevention for this drug. Phenobarbital is a selective anticonvulsant drug and is used for prevention of grand mal epilepsy. The next that analgesic effect, that consists barbiturate increases the analgesic effect of salicylate and para-aminophenol derivatives. The same as to that administration of the barbiturates and analgesic drugs. So that's barbiturates increases the analgesic effect of salicylate and para-aminophenol derivative. Second is respiration. On that activity of barbiturates. Higher doses of barbiturates depress the respiratory center in medulla oblongata and may leading to respiratory collapse. This is the action of barbiturates on the respiration or respiratory center. Higher dose जर आपण बार्बिट्युरिक ॲसिडचा घेतला आहे तर depress the respiratory center in medulla oblongata and may leading to that respiratory collapse. Second effect on cardiovascular system. Therapeutic dose of barbiturate may causes a slight fall in blood pressure and decreases the heart rate. जरी पण आपण थेरापेटिक डोस घेतला आहे बार्बिट्युरेटचा तरी पण कॉजेस ऑफ स्लाइट फॉल इन ब्लड प्रेशर अँड डिक्रीजेस दी हार्ट रेट. ब्लड प्रेशर ही कमी होतं स्लाइटली आणि हार्ट रेट जो आहे तो पण डिक्रीज होतो आहे. बट टॉक्झिक डोसेस ऑफ बार्बिट्युरेट्स प्रोड्यूस सस्टेन हायपोटेन्शन. जर जास्त डोस घेतला आहे त्याच बार्बिट्युरेटचा त्या ड्रगचा तर काय होते, प्रोड्यूस दी सस्टेन हायपोटेन्शन. ब्लड प्रेशर एकदम कमी होते. दॅट्स अ टर्म इज कॉल्ड ॲज हायपोटेन्शन. अँड नेक्स्ट ऑन इफेक्ट ऑन GIT. Larger doses of barbiturates retard the peristalsis movement. The small intestine and in that presence of GIT, the peristaltic movement is increases, but gastric secretions may be depressed. बार्बिट्युरेट किंवा बार्बिट्युरिक या ड्रग्समुळे काय होते तर गॅस्ट्रिक सिक्रेशन डिप्रेस होते. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. व्हॉट इज द ॲब्सॉर्प्शन, मेटाबॉलिझम अँड एक्सक्रिशन्स ऑफ बार्बिट्युरेट्स ड्रग्स. Barbiturates can be administered by orally and parenteral routes. They are distributed in all tissues and fluids. They cross placental barrier. Placental barrier means in the treatment of that pregnancy. So that's a crossing of the placental barrier. They are chiefly metabolized in the liver and to small extent in kidney, and excretion is through urine. That is the absorption, metabolism and excretion of barbiturates. Distribution in the all tissues and fluids, metabolism in the liver and excretion is through urine. Then next slide. Adverse effect of barbiturates. What is the adverse effect of barbiturates? Intolerance, including excitement, vomiting, headache, and diarrhea. This is the first adverse effect of barbiturates. Second is megaloblastic anemia. It's also adverse effect of barbiturates. If administration to pregnant women may depress the fetal respiration. जर प्रेग्नंट वुमेननी हा ड्रग ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन केला डिप्रेसिंग द fetal respiration. And last is a drug dependency or drug habituations is like that barbiturate. This is the adverse effect of barbiturates. Next, therapeutic uses of barbiturates. Therapeutic uses of barbiturates. First, it's used as a hypnotics and sedatives. It's used as an anticonvulsant. It's used as a free anesthetic medications. Used as a general anesthetics, for example, thiopentone, and the psychiatric uses, for example, phenobarbital. This is therapeutic uses of barbiturates. So, hypnotics and sedativeसाठी पण हा ड्रग यूज केला जातो आहे. अँटीकन्व्हल्संट असेल तरी पण यूज केला जातो आहे. प्री ॲनेस्थेटिक्स मेडिकेशन म्हणून पण त्याला यूज केले जाते. जनरल ॲनेस्थेटिक्ससाठी ड्रग आहे थायोपेंटोन, हा पण यूज केला जातो आहे. आणि सायकॅट्रिक यूज, सो फेनोबार्बिटरेट इज ऑल्सो यूज. So next point is that preparations and doses. Phenobarbital tablet IP sedative dose 15 to 13 milligram daily and hypnotic dose 100 to 200 milligram daily. So this is the doses of phenobarbital tablet in that sedative purpose or in that hypnotics purpose. So next point is that acute barbiturate poisoning. Acute barbiturate poisoning is a causes due to ingestion of an overdose either accidentally or with suicidal intention. Poisoning is that causes due to ingestion of an overdose of this barbiturate either accidentally or other suicidally. So what is the signs and symptoms of acute barbiturate poisoning? So first is weak and rapid pulses. Second is cold clammy skin. Third is constriction of pupil. Fourth, paralytic dilation develops initially. Respiratory depressions, peripheral vascular collapse, and last is urinary retention. This is the signs and symptoms of acute barbiturate poisoning. तर यासाठी ट्रीटमेंट काय आहे तेही बघायचं आपल्याला. ट्रीटमेंट्स ऑफ acute barbiturate poisoning. So in that various treatment, the first is a gastric lavage, second is endotracheal intubation, third is alkalization of urine, fourth is IV administration of fluids, fifth use of prophylactic antibiotics, sixth number is a dialysis, and seventh is a forced diuresis. This is the treatment of the acute barbiturate poisoning. So one by one discuss here. First is gastric lavage. Gastric lavage means if the patient is conscious, then gastric lavage is carried out. जर पेशंट शुद्धीवर असेल तर गॅस्ट्रिक लॅव्हेज आपल्याला कॅरीड आउट करता येईल बाय यूजिंग सिरप ऑफ इफिकॅक ऑर साल्ट सोल्युशन्स. इफ द पेशंट इज अनकॉन्शियस, then gastric aspiration is carried out by inserting tube into the stomach. So that is the gastric lavage. It's administrations of the syrup of ipecac. So this patient having vomiting and to discard it of this content in a stomach. Second is endotracheal intubation. It is performed when respiration is inadequate and also to remove secretions from respiratory tract. Adequate ventilation is of great importance in barbiturate poisoning. ज्या पेशंटला बार्बिट्युरेट पॉइझनिंग झालं आहे त्यांच्यासाठी इम्पॉर्टन्स काय आहेत? ॲडिक्वाईट व्हेंटिलेशन्स. अँड थर्ड नंबर फोर्स डायुरेसिस. इन दिस स्टेप डायुरेसिस such as furosemide and mannitol are used in barbiturate poisoning to increase the flow and excretion of urine. furosemide and mannitol हे जे काय दोन ड्रग्स आहेत यामुळे काय होईल? डायुरेसिस इन्क्रीज होईल. डायुरेसिस इन्क्रीज झाल्यानंतर इन्क्रीजेस द फ्लो अँड एक्सक्रिशन ऑफ युरिन इन्क्रीज होईल. सो त्यामुळे हे दोन ड्रग्स यूज केले जातात, फ्रुसेमाइड अँड मॅनिटॉल. दिस इज द डायरेटिक्स ड्रग्स. दिस मे लीड टू increases in excretion of barbiturates. Forced diuresis is the most useful in poisoning due to phenobarbital and barbital. जर एखाद्या पेशंटला फिनोबार्बिटोन किंवा बार्बिटोनची पॉयझनिंग झाली असेल तर त्यासाठी फोर्स डायलिसिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. सो फॉर धिस ड्रग देन नेक्स्ट ट्रीटमेंट इज दॅट अल्कलायझेशन ऑफ युरिन. Alkalinization of urine prevent tubular reabsorption of barbiturates by ionization of filter barbiturates. अल्कलायझेशन ऑफ युरिनमध्ये काय होते, जे काही ट्युब्युलर रिॲब्सॉर्प्शन होत असते किडनीमध्ये ते प्रिव्हेंट्स होईल ऑफ बार्बिच्युरेट्स बाय आयनायझेशन ऑफ फिल्टर बार्बिच्युरेट्स. धीस इन्क्रीजेस द एक्सक्रिशन ऑफ बार्बिच्युरेट्स. त्यामुळे एक्सक्रिशन जे काय बार्बिच्युरेटचं इन्क्रीज होईल, फास्टली एक्सक्रीट केला जाईल ड्रग फ्रॉम दी बॉडी. सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट इज यूज फॉर अल्कलायझेशन ऑफ युरिन. सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट these are using for the alkalization of the urine. And last intravenous administration of fluid. Intravenous fluids are given in a sufficient quantity to prevent dehydration. They are also useful for maintenance of blood volume. साठीही ते गरजेचं आहे, त्यामुळे त्या पेशंटला IV दिलं जातं. नेक्स्ट आहे यूज ऑफ प्रोफिलॅक्टिक अँटीबायोटिक्स. The antibiotics are used only where the possibility of infection due to catheterization of urinary bladder. जर गरज असेल तरच अँटीबायोटिक्स ड्रग्स त्या पेशंटला द्यायचे आहेत. सो दिस इज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द acute barbiturate poisoning. So consist about gastric lavage, endotracheal intubation, forced diuresis, alkalization of urine, intravenous administration of fluid, uses of prophylactic antibiotics. The next is that benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines, these are the potent and safe hypnotic drugs. For example, that consisting about diazepam, nitrazepam, oxazepam and lorazepam. These are the drugs, the example of benzodiazepine class. What is the therapeutic uses of these benzodiazepines? It's as a hypnotics and sedative, as an anticonvulsant, as a use, as a free anesthetics medications, as a anti-anxiety agents, as a good muscle relaxant, and as a tranquilizers to that to reduce the tension. So this is the therapeutic uses of the benzodiazepines drug, consisting about, for example, diazepam, nitrazepam, oxazepam and lorazepam. This is therapeutic uses of benzodiazepines. Next class, newer non-benzodiazepines, consisting about zopiclone. It is non-benzodiazepine sedatives or derivative. It is a cyclopyrrolone derivative. It's a zopiclone, newer non-benzodiazepine drug. Increases the total sleep time. Sleep time जो है तो increase होता है. Insomnia does not occur. This drug administration, that's the name, is a zopiclone. And last is that zolpidem. It is a imidazopyridine derivative. It decreases the sleep latency and increases the sleep durations. It has a weak anticonvulsant effect and safety with overdosage. This is the all about barbiturates drug. Various drugs are a classification of barbiturates, benzodiazepines or various. The point is that sedatives and hypnotics. So one by one discuss here. Are you up to get here? So next lecture, in the next point in that next lecture. So thank you.